Okay, so I just got home. I did not show you what I ate for lunch because it was pretty much the same as I got for dinner yesterday. Those, like, I got some vegan barbecue chunks and I've been feeling sick all day, and every time I just think about them, I feel sick. I will not recommend. They were not good, they did not taste good, I feel sick. The thought about it makes me nauseous all over again. I got that, and I got a coffee to go when I was going home. And now I'm just gonna make a little snack bowl because I feel like sugar, I feel like all the good stuff right now. Just watch something, chill out a little bit. I have a headache, I don't feel good. That's pretty much all for now. Oh, by the way, I don't know, like, it's not a lot of people watching anyways, and for the people actually watching, like, thank you so much. That means actually quite a lot for me, and also to the people who have subscribed. Thank you. It means the world to me that you guys are watching and subscribing, and if there are any improvements you would like to see in my videos, please tell me in the comments. Like, I want to do this better and more entertaining for you guys, and yeah. Snack, I think. I'm not even gonna call it that, that was a joke. I'm gonna eat some candy from yesterday because I want to, and I am leaving in like 10 minutes to see my grandparents, so I'm just gonna eat some because I want some, and you know, gotta do what you gotta do. This is the part where I actually have to show me eating it, like. So I didn't get to film a lot yesterday, mainly because I was kind of in a bad mood, and pulling out a camera when you're in a bad mood just does not seem that nice. But nice. But I just got a package from I Will, and I just wanted to show you. This is not sponsored, obviously, but I wanted to show you what I got because all my leggings are destroyed. Oh yeah, I'm sorry I look like shit, but I got these. They're kind of like ripped material, and the waistband is like thick. I haven't tried it on, so I can't tell if I like it or not, but I think I'll like it because I usually like this stuff a lot. But this is like, don't know if I can show it properly. As you can see, ripped. And they feel really nice. Why did I rub it on my face? No. And then I got these kind of, I don't even know what color this is. Dusty purple lilac. I don't know. But it's just like plain. It's kind of really buttery, the material, and stretchy. So I'm excited to try it. I always have this thing when I like have to buy leggings or workout pants or whatever you want to call them. And then when I get them, they are like this, and I am very clearly not that. So I'm always so scared that they don't fit because I'm like, I am bigger. But usually I actually fit the pants pretty well. I'm a large, so I'm gonna try them on and show you and tell you how I feel about it.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
So I will say they both feel really nice. The lilac one is nice, it's soft, it's buttery, it's easy to get on. It's just that the waistband is not as tight as I thought it would be, so the rest is like, and then the waistband is just like so. But these one, those feel really good. I really like them. I don't usually buy very light or colored workout pants, but they were on sale and I did not really have a lot of money to spend and I really needed some new ones, so nice. And that will conclude this video, and thank you for watching. It means a lot to me, so I will see you next time.
That's okay, people, I can't stand